Court of Appeal in Abuja has nullified the election of Governor Caleb Muftwang of the Plateau State in March 18th governorship election. A three-member panel in a unanimous decision on Sunday held that Muftwang was not validly sponsored by the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as provided by Section 285, subsection 2 of the Nigerian Constitution. The panel held that the appeal brought by Nentawe Goshwe of the All Progressive Congress, the APC, succeeds as the issue of qualification was both a pre- and post-election matter under Section 177, subsection C of the Nigerian Constitution 1999 and Section 80 and 82 of the Electoral Act 2022. The panel agreed with the appellant, Goshwe, that the failure of the PDP to comply with the order of the Plateau State High Court Judge in suit number PLD J304-2020 between Beatrice B. Kaze and 11 others versus the People's Democratic Party and 24 others, directing it to conduct valid ward, local governments and state congresses before nominating its candidate for the various elective posts, and the Court of Appeal order in CA J193-2021. The panel also set aside the judgment of the governorship election petitions tribunal for being highly inconsistent and breach of fair hearing by relying on ex-punch witnesses' statement to refuse Goshwe's appeal. The panel ordered INEC to withdraw the certificate of return issued to Muftwang and issue a fresh one to Goshwe.
Very happy. Judgments just delivered by the court in respect of the governorship of Plateau State. The court was ruling in favor that Dr. Nentawe who was not only qualified by virtue of the matter being the post-election matter that was brought in the petition, but that his petition has merit. All the issues were resolved in his favor, and he has been declared as the lawfully elected governor of Plateau State.
The Plateau State is the only state where a dedicated panel was made available for all their appeals. In other jurisdictions in other states, panels are set up for individual appeals, but in respect of Plateau State, this panel was set up and they are trying all the appeals, all the appeals from Plateau State, which of course raises an issue of whether this is in line with the procedure adopted by the court.
Now, joining us via Zoom from Adamawa, we have Barrister Sunday Wuriga, a legal practitioner. Barrister, what do you make of the quality of this judgment?
Well, actually, this judgment is it's amazing, actually, and I believe the court. I am yet to go through its reasons for the judgment, but I think they are oblivious of the provisions of Section 285 sub 9 of the Constitution, which raises this issue of not passing through a valid nomination. I think there are plethora of judgments, even Supreme Court judgments, to the effect that someone from another political party cannot raise the issue of nomination, valid or otherwise, once it is not coming from the political party and within the time. So I wouldn't want to go deep into this judgment until I have seen the reasons for the judgment and comparing same with other Supreme Court decisions that we have, and even the judgment of the same Court of Appeal on the issue of Labour Party and Peter Obi's petition, where it held that the issue of nomination is an internal affairs of a political party.
All right. The unanimous judgment. They said that the tribunal's judgment or verdict was not consistent. What's your take on that?
Actually, it is not consistent because the same court, in other judgments before now, decided, and I believe rightly so, that the decision whether someone from an opposing political party in an election petition raising the issue of nomination is actually statute barred. That is the provision of the law anyway, because this issue, the issue should have been complained of, should have been raised within 14 days from the date the infraction occurred. For someone to come to the tribunal and make it a post-election matter, I think there is a miscarriage of judgment.
So, Barrister, do you think the verdict aligns with the spirit of the law? Are you with us? Do you think the verdict aligns with the spirit of the law?
Well, for now, like I said, until I have seen the reasons for their judgment, I don't think the decision aligns with the position of the law, actually. I think there is an error in the judgment, in the decision.
All right, thank you so much. We would have to wait to see what would happen in the Supreme Court. Thank you so much, Barrister Sunday Weriga from Adamawa. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
All right, earlier we had Daily Trust reporter Ado Musa, and he gave us an update. Take a look.
People appear to have a kind of a bad mood. Some appear to have a kind of a good mood. So at the moment, normal activities are ongoing. Security personnel are also stationed at different strategic places to prevent any breakdown of law and order. For example, when you go to Yakubu Gawangwe, a popular major highway, you will see soldiers and police stationed at different strategic locations. For example, when you go to Appeal Kojos, we also have soldiers and armor personnel carrier stationed at that place. When you go down to Oliapo Junction, down to popular Mararaban Jama or Surroundabout, you also have security personnel everywhere just to prevent any breaking law and order. So the situation at the moment everywhere is peaceful. Only that those who have won are not happy, they are angry, they are saying that the judgment was not right. While those who have won are happy, they are also saying good things about the judgment. So the situation is calm at the moment. No report of intimidation, no report of violence anywhere at the moment. So far, there has been no any official communication by either the government or the PDP. The announcement by the police with regard to the security issue following the protest by the PDP supporters has indeed contributed to what we are witnessing today. Because if not for the presence of security, possibly a protest of that kind may have been organized. I went to different business places where I also witnessed that business activities were also ongoing. And the fact that people were very concerned before the pronouncement of the judgment, that didn't stop people from going about their normal activities. Prior to the judgment, people were so much concerned about when this judgment will be delivered and how it will also be delivered.